Hello everyone, this is Ida. Today I will show you how to use the different keypads to code the same pager. Okay, there are two keypads and I will power it on. It shows the ID of the keypad. The keypad is 1. And the keypad ID is 12. And if you want to use the different keypads to code the same pager, you must make sure that the keypad ID is the same one. So I will change the ID on the keypads to 3. Okay. First, you need to press the Start key. This one. When you enter the F1, you need to press the Confirm key and press number 3 and confirm. The ID has been changed to 3. And I will change it to 3 as well. F1 confirm and 3 confirm. Has been changed to 3. Yes, and now I will change the ID of the pager to some number, and you can use the 2 keypads to code the same one. Enter the F2 and confirm, and I will press this number to 1 and unconfirm. Yes, the number has been changed to 1 as well. And the counter tip is that when you change the ID of the pagers, you must make sure that the pagers are on the charging base. You can see that there are green light flash. It means that it is in the charging condition. And now I will back and back. Number is 1. It is flash and beep. And then I will put it on. And now I will press 1 as well. Yes. It is promoted as well, so it is very easy to operate. If you have other questions, just email us to support@retekess.com. We will be here waiting for a message. Bye.